This tomato is stuffed with curried egg and shrimp and is ridiculously good. You make it the night before, and then when you're ready, in under 5 minutes, you have something exquisite with almost no effort. So this starts off with a chopped hard-boiled egg, a half tablespoon of chopped green onion, and a tablespoon of chopped celery. Go ahead and get that all into our bowl. To this, we're adding 2.5 teaspoons of mayonnaise, 1/8 teaspoon of curry powder, a pinch of cayenne, a pinch of garlic salt. Get that all stirred up, and then we're gonna go ahead and cover it and put it in the fridge for 24 hours. Then when you're ready, go ahead and grab your shrimp, about 1/8 pound, and get it all nice and chopped up fine, and get that thrown in to your egg mixture, and get that well stirred. Make you a bed of lettuce, whatever kind you like. Grab your tomato and cut it into 8ths, but not all the way through, that way it opens up into this blossom pattern. Shrimp and egg, and then top it with about a tablespoon of almonds. These can be raw or toasted. And there we have it, one curried egg and shrimp salad. Cook for one, have some fun, waste none. Recipes in the description along with my free Solo Cook Survival Guide. And if you like more salad recipes, go ahead and check out this link here.